Children, welcome to another class of our EVS 1. Today's topic is full of excitement because what is our today's topic? It is India's space missions. So let's see what is our today's thought. A journey to inspire, innovate and discover. So space missions, it is nothing but a journey to inspire, to innovate and something to discover. So let's continue with these space missions. As you can see here, our first space mission. Yes, children, here we are talking about Chandrayaan 1. This is India's first mission to moon. It was launched on 22nd of October 2008, and the rocket which was used to take this spacecraft onto the surface of moon was PSLV XL-11. Now you might ask, what is the long form for this PSLV, teacher? Well, it is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. It is nothing but the rocket which actually take this spacecraft into the space and then releases it after some time. So this was actually the Chandrayaan 1 spacecraft which was actually launched for the study of moon. This mission was launched by Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. Children, you should remember the long form for this ISRO. This is the organization, Indian organization rather, which works for the study of space. Again we will repeat, it was India's first mission to moon which was launched on 22nd of October 2008, and the rocket which was used for this space mission was PSLV XL-11, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, the rocket which is used to take this spacecraft. And this mission was launched by Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. You can see here the image of Chandrayaan 1 in more detail. Isn't it? This is a spacecraft which was shown in more detail with all solar panels, fuel tank and all the other accessories. Now another important space mission. Children, you might have seen the movie Mission Mangalyaan, isn't it? Yes, this spacecraft relates to that movie. This mission was Mission Mangalyaan or MOM, that is Mars Orbit Mission. It is known as MOM or Mars Orbit Mission. It was launched on 5th of November 2013. It was actually established in an orbit around the planet Mars on 24th of September 2014. That means this mission was actually launched on 5th of November. But this spacecraft actually got into the orbit of Mars on 24th of September 2014, because it is very difficult to go into the orbit of Mars. You might have seen that in the movie also, isn't it? How many days and how many years it took to be into the orbit of Mars. So actually it was launched on 5th of November 2013, but it actually got into the orbit of Mars on 24th of September 2014. Yes, we are very proud. Actually, India is very proud because we have achieved this in our first attempt. So ISRO achieved this in its first attempt to be into the orbit of Mars. So what was the objective of this mission? The objective of the mission was the deep, detailed study of moon and Mars. Again we will repeat this. It is known as MOM or Mars Orbit Mission. It was launched on 5th of November 2013 and it was then established. It actually started moving into the orbit of Mars. It has catched the orbit of Mars on 24th of September 2014, and ISRO achieved this in our first attempt. The objective of the mission was deep or detailed study of moon and Mars. Yes, this is again a detailed view of this Mangalyaan 1 spacecraft, isn't it? Solar panels. Yes. So what we have learnt in our today's lesson, children? Let's again revise that. Chandrayaan 1 was launched by ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization. It was launched on 22nd of October 2008. But Mission Mangalyaan or MOM, that is Mars Orbit Mission, was launched on 5th of November 2013. It got into the orbit of Mars on 24th of September 2014. The objective of the mission is a deeper study of the moon and Mars. Let's see what is our today's homework. Well, you have to write down about mission Chandrayaan 1 and Mangalyaan for 2 times in your notebook. So it is just like a short note for Chandrayaan 1 and Mangalyaan. But you have to write down that for 2 times in your notebook. that's all for our short lesson today, children. We'll again meet in the next lesson. Thank you.